Welcome students, myself SC Kunde from Gokhale Education Societies, JDC Bitco, English Medium High School, Nasik Road. I am starting new lesson, that is Science Part 1, lesson number 14, Substances in Common Use. In this lesson, we will study important salts in daily life, and that is NaCl, NaHCO3, CaOCl2, that is bleaching powder. The important salts in daily life, the ionic compound which do not contain H plus and OH minus ions and contain only one kind of cation and anion, are called simple salts. For example, Na2SO4, K3PO4 and CaCl2. Inorganic substances occurs naturally in the form of salts rather than acids and bases. About 80 million tons of salts are added every year to seawater. Therefore, the sea is said to be a rich source of salts. In fact, the sea is a rich source of several salts of various elements such as chlorine, sodium, magnesium, potassium, calcium, bromine. However, we also use other salts apart from these in daily day-to-day life. The first is sodium chloride, or we also called as table salt or common salt, which gives a salty taste to food, is the most used of all salts. Its chemical name is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is formed by a neutralization reaction in between sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. We have already seen that this is a neutral salt and that the pH value of its aqueous solution is 7. Uses and properties of sodium chloride. Common salt is a colorless and crystalline ionic compound. There is no water of crystallization in its crystalline structure. It is a neutral salt and salty in taste. This compound is used for the production of salt like Na2CO3 and NaHCO3. When an electric current is passed through a saturated solution of sodium chloride, it is electrolyzed and hydrogen gas is released at the cathode, while chlorine gas is released at the anode. This method is used for production of chlorine gas. When salt is heated to a high temperature, it melts. This is called the fused state of the salt. When fused salt is electrolyzed, chlorine gas is released at the anode and liquid sodium metal at the cathode. Sodium chloride is the chemical name for salt. Sodium is an electrolyte that regulates the amount of water in your body. Sodium also plays a part in nerve impulses and muscle contractions. Sodium chloride is used to prevent sodium loss caused by dehydration, excessive sweating. Next is sodium bicarbonate, or we also called as baking soda. The chemical formula is NaHCO3. Your mother brings cake on your birthday or make it at home. She also makes crispy bhaji. Have you ever asked your mother what makes the cake porous or the bhaji crispy? Mother adds baking soda in the batter. Baking soda is a white non-crystalline powder. Its chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, and its molecular formula is NaHCO3. Uses and properties of sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is an antacid used to relieve heartburn and acid indigestion. Your doctor also may prescribe sodium bicarbonate to make your blood or urine less acidic in certain conditions. This medication is sometimes prescribed for other uses. NaHCO3 or sodium bicarbonate reacts with moist litmus paper, and red litmus paper turns blue, which means that is basic in nature. It is used to make bread, cake, doklas. Then, being basic in nature, it is used to reduce acidity in the stomach. Sodium bicarbonate is used to make the active substance carbon dioxide in the fire extinguisher. Baking soda is also used to clean an oven. Next is bleaching powder. This is also one type of common salt we are used in our day-to-day life. Take a piece of color cloth, put some saturated solution of bleaching powder on a small part and observe what change takes place in the color of cloth. Tap water has a typical strong odor in the rainy season. Have you experienced it? Water in a swimming pool also has the same odor. It is the odor of the chlorine gas used to destroy the microbes in the water. Chlorine gas is a strong oxidizing agent, and therefore it has a strong disinfecting as well as bleaching action. Chlorine is inconvenient to handle because of its gaseous state. Instead, the solid bleaching powder, which has the same effect, is more convenient to use. Bleaching powder undergoes slow decomposition due to the carbon dioxide in the air, and chlorine gas is released. Bleaching powder gets its property because of this release of chlorine gas. CaOCl2 combines with CO2, which forms CaCO3 plus Cl2. So the bleaching powder is obtained by the reaction of chlorine gas with slaked lime. Properties and uses of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is a yellowish white color solid substance. Its chemical name is calcium oxychloride. It has a strong odor of chlorine gas. It is used for disinfection of drinking water at the waterworks and the water in the swimming pool. It is used for bleaching of clothes. It is also used for disinfection by the roadside and garbages sites. Dilute sulfuric acid and dilute hydrochloric acid reacts rapidly with bleaching powder to release chlorine gas completely. Calcium oxychloride reacts slowly with carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate and chlorine.